Hey guys, Digitizer here. For today's project, I'm going to replace the LCD Digitizer assembly on this Samsung Galaxy S8, and I got the replacement screen LCD assembly from Amazon, and it was sold by Speedy Gadget. I'm going to use these tools to remove the back glass of the device, and after I'm going to disassemble the whole device. You will also need a heat gun to complete this project. The first thing you have to do is to power off the device. Once you remove the back glass, there is a connector for the fingerprint scanner that you have to remove in order to completely remove the back glass. And it's inside, you have to do it carefully. Okay, the first step for this project is done by safely removing the back glass without cracking it. The next step for this video is to remove the 14 screws. I'm going to use the tools that came with the screen.
Here I'm disassembling the device to avoid any damage of the sensitive component, including the motherboard, because I will heat up the display to remove the LCD in a few minutes. The LCD has more glue than the back glass.
My next step is to start with the heat gun at the bottom and going up in order to remove the broken glass screen and LCD digitizer.
This part should be faster because I'm not going to reuse or repair the LCD, but be careful not to scratch or damage the metal frame of your device. After you remove the broken screen, start cleaning the frame. You can use any type of liquid that can remove glue. Remove all the glue for a perfect fit of the new LCD. I am reassembling the device in order to test the new LCD before I glued it in place. It can be broken or has a dead pixel. Test the LCD to avoid unpleasant surprise. Since the LCD was in great shape, I will fully reassemble the phone and start working on the glue part of the new LCD. Reassemble everything in the same order you took it apart. The LCD comes with two double-sided tape that you have to install. One goes around the front-facing camera and the other one goes at the bottom where we had a home button in the Galaxy S7. Remove the plastic to expose the glue. All the Digitizer has glue in his bag. The glue gives a perfect glued fit. Carefully place the LCD on the frame. Try to put the LCD connector first to make it easier. First, gently press the LCD at the center and around the edge of the frame. This will help the glue stick quickly. You can take 2 or 3 minutes applying pressure around. Finally, you can start putting back the rest of the components together. Start reinstalling the 14 screws that we removed in the beginning after you put all the remaining pieces together. Do not forget to connect back the fingerprint scanner before you close the device. Apply pressure to the back glass and all over the phone. This will help the glue stick quickly. Again, take a good minute or two to apply pressure all around. I'm going to test the fingerprint scanner and see if it works. At last, I will be testing the wireless charging to check if it has not been damaged. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.